Today we have a Shun Sora with a broken tip. So to correct this, I'm going to have to grind the spine down to create a new tip. The tip's also bent over probably to about there from where it broke off. So I'm going to have to grind this something like that to recreate the shape the way it was originally. There's also a little bit of chipping along here. So this knife's been abused just a little bit. So the plan for today is to grind this tip down. We'll use probably an 80 grit Cubitron belt to get the profile of the knife correct while removing the chips along the edge. Probably also with an 80 grit. That's going to leave the knife a little bit thicker, bearing in mind the state of this knife and the hard use that it's been put through. I will probably give it a little bit of thinning close towards the edge, but I'm not going to thin it all the way because it's just going to get damaged again. This will give it a little bit more stability behind the edge and a little bit more strength. Starting with the 80 grit Cubitron. Here we go.
And there we have it, new tip. The chips are just about all out. I'm going to drop down to a 120 grit belt now. Cut a secondary bevel, get the last of the chips out, smooth that out, make it pretty. So 120 grit belt is on. Again, I'm just going to refine the tip a little bit, get rid of the last of the chips, cut a secondary bevel for thinning, and here we go. Okay, that is it. Just beveled or chamfered the spine nicely, so it's nicely rounded over, making sure to get the bevel the same on both sides. Now for quick secondary bevel and then refining. So that secondary bevel that I've just put in there keeps the knife a little bit thinner behind the edge, but not as thin as it might have been when it was new. So it will pass through food a little bit easier, but it will still be a stronger edge at the end of the day. All that's left now is refining. Next up we'll have a Trizact A30. Okay, so Trizact A30, we're going to just round over the spine a little bit better, smooth it out, make it look good. Secondary bevel, primary bevel for a bit of scratch pattern refinement. There we go. Okay, so that's looking good. Feels nice and thin. Very small bevel, like primary bevel. Very small burr. We've removed as little material as possible here to keep this thin and to give it longevity. Yeah, refining next. So to start removing the burr and refining it a bit further, we're going to do cardboard wheel with some green compound. Okay, so the edge is already looking a lot better. It's nice and smooth. There's still some remnants of a burr left there. Next step will be clean felt wheel. I'm going to wipe this down with a little bit of rubbing alcohol quick to get the residue from the compound off. Okay, so final machining step here. Hard felt wheel, no compound. Should clean the edge up nicely. It's already pretty sharp. Following that, we will just do a little bit of hand stropping on some clean leather, and this knife will be good to go. There we go. Shun Sora, fixed and sharp.